Quickly learn how to save your project in JPEG, all right? That is JPG in CorelDraw. Let's just get right into it. First, click on the File tab, which is the first tab on your CorelDraw. Okay? You'll be provided with some options. Select Export. All right, you will see this notification showing the name of the file and save as type. PNG is selected here. So click on this drop down and locate the JPEG option, that is JPG. All right, click on that and then click on OK. You'll be taken to this page, and here you will see some quality level and the sub format. All right. If you are good with what is here, the settings, click on OK. And this file is saved into your PC in a short time.